there's a chance to meet somebody to foot the bill. Then the drinks are on the house. Consider yourself a mate. We don't want to have no fuss, for after some consideration we can state. Consider yourself one of us.
CBS 3 News anchor Chris May.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon, everyone. What an exciting week in Philadelphia. What a great day for our country, and what a beautiful day for us to be gathered here today. We welcome you to the most historic square mile in America, Independence Mall, the crown jewel of our national park system. We have heard this afternoon the sweet sounds of the Keystone State Boy Choir, directed by Steve Fisher. Let's give them a hand once again, a remarkably talented group of young men. Thank you, guys. The Keystone State Boy Choir has performed in Monaco and throughout Europe, in Australia, in South America, and right down the street here at the Kimmel Center here in Philadelphia. We will hear a little more from them as our program continues today. Assembled here on these grounds today in our audience is a multitude of generations representing the broad spectrum of our American fabric. I will be introducing them to you throughout the day, as well as bringing our speakers to the stage. And at 2 o'clock, our program will conclude with one of the highlights of the day, I know for many of you, the ceremonial tapping of the Liberty Bell, followed by an inspiring musical finale. Also seated in our audience today are hundreds of members of the Pennsylvania Society Sons of the Revolution. They bear witness to this afternoon's events. Will the members and the families of the PSSR who are with us today please stand and be recognized? It is wonderful to have you here today, and it is my honor now to begin our program by introducing the president of the Pennsylvania Society Sons of the Revolution. A big hand for Mr. Benjamin C. Frick.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Let Freedom Ring, the national bell ringing ceremony presented by the Pennsylvania Society of Sons of the Revolution and its color guard. The Sons of the Revolution began a commemoration of Independence Day at Independence Hall on July 4th, 1969, making this our 40th anniversary here. Our organization, founded in 1888, is composed of lineal descendants of military, naval, or Marine officers, soldiers, sailors, or Marines in actual service under authority of the colonies or the Continental Congress, of signers of the Declaration of Independence, and of appointed officials